everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, karibu sana and kindly subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for keeping this YouTube channel growing. And yes, today I'm sharing with you a very simple recipe. It's healthy juices that you can make at home. And this is, if you love your gut system, this is one of the juices that you should make on a weekly basis to clean up your gut. So let's go to the ingredients. So we are making carrot beetroot juice, and then we are using oranges as our sweetener. If you don't have oranges, I know oranges are out of the market in a way, you can substitute oranges with apples. So without wasting time, let's go. So we'll need oranges, carrots, beetroot, ginger, and then we'll have clean water. And then we need our blender to blend. So first we start by preparing the ingredients. So we'll be very fast. So we are preparing these ingredients. This is our beetroot. As you can see in this recipe, I'm using one size beetroot, and then I'm using 5 carrots. If you want more juice, you can add more carrots and more beetroot. But I'm working with what I have at home. You can see this carrot and beetroot, the way they are fresh, and they are like 2 weeks old. They are I've just removed them from the fridge. Here we buy grocery once a month. So if you have not watched how to store grocery in the fridge, kindly go and watch that video so that you will not have to waste food stuff. So you can see these carrots are so fresh, and they are 2 weeks old. So first we want to blend in these two, the carrot and we blend the carrot and if you have a juicer, the better. For us, we don't have a juicer, we're going to use this one. So then after that, we are going to strain it. And just like that, we have strained the first round. What we'll do, we are going to return these, what do we call them? We are going to return these trays back to the blender again for the second round, because they still have a lot of juice in them. So we are going to return them again, just to ensure that we are dealing with them thoroughly. And then we sieve again the second round. And just like that, I'm done with the first bunch of beetroot and carrot. I don't think they can remove anything else. If they can, so we put it aside, and then now we go to part 2. Let's go to round 2. Now round 2 of it is now blending the orange juice. Now I've put my oranges here. Now we add water. It's like I need more water. And then we just like that, we are done. And my blender is becoming dirty, but the juice. So just like that, we are going to do the same process of straining. Having strained the first time, we return them again so that we can strain. You see, we still have a juice. We return them again, and then we add water. We add water, just not a lot. We add water, and then we strain again for the second time. And just like that, we are done. Let me clean up here so that we can package our juice. And as you can see, just like that, I've done cleaning up everything and just blending five carrots, 1 beetroot, and 4 oranges. I've managed to make this juice. This is almost 2 liters of juice that my family is going to enjoy tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday, tomorrow and perhaps on Monday. So you're going to carry this as we go to church. So I hope this recipe has, you're going to try it because this is a healthy juice recipe. You just need beetroot, carrot, ginger and oranges. And if you don't have the oranges, you can substitute with apples. It's still going to do the same work. So okay, let's package the juice to see how much we have managed to make. So that's 1 liter. That's 1 liter. And I don't add sweetener to my juice, so but if you want to add yours, you can add sugar or honey. And there we have 2 liters. Yeah, 2 liters of healthy juice at home. Just like that, and I'm going to put it in my fridge. So guys, kindly go and try this recipe and come back and tell me how you're going to enjoy it. So thank you, bye, till next time. Kindly, if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe so that we can grow this YouTube channel together. Thank you so much. Bye.